All right, folks, I can't believe I'm doing this. It's really, truly last minute. It is Sunday, April 7th, and I decided this morning that I am going to make the move to go up into the Adirondacks to check out this year's solar eclipse. As you know, we've known about this for a long time. I actually was at the solar eclipse back in 2017 when it last happened. I was actually out in Teton, but basically today I'm packing up real quick. I decided I'm taking the Super Duty and I'm gonna head up to the Adirondacks. I have a couple of places in mind, but I won't know until I get up there whether or not this is a good idea or not. I'm setting up the back of the truck as a camper right now. I'm gonna put a cot back here and set it up just in case I can't find a campsite. So, you know, obviously there's gonna be a lot of people up there. The weather forecast is looking pretty favorable. I don't want to say extremely favorable because hopefully no clouds. That's the goal here. Scout's coming along for the ride. Spring is in the air, but in the Adirondacks, I'm telling you right now, overnight lows are probably going to be in the low 30s, high 20s. That's Fahrenheit. And we'll see how it goes. But the best I can do right now is just to get up there and go and make an effort for this. If you don't know already, I believe the next time we're going to have an eclipse like this in the U.S. is in 2045. We're talking 21 years from now. So don't want to miss the opportunity. So I'm jumping on it last minute. It's better than not doing it at all, right? So we'll see how this goes. I've never done this before, so this is my first time making an attempt at doing something like this. And then, you know, I've got the cot here set up. I've got a simple Coleman cot. So front to back, it looks pretty good. I'm going to set this up, ready to go to sleep. And then I got a bunch of containers that I'm gonna bring along here that'll go underneath here. So I'm trying to be a little minimalist on this trip, but we'll see how that goes. All right, so moving right along here, I got a nice little setup for the night here. Good old fashioned classic Southwestern blanket. All right, so the next thing is I'm throwing my gazelle tent in here. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna find a camp spot up there, but if I do, most certainly it wouldn't be a bad thing to have the gazelle with me. So throwing that in here right now, squeezing it between the bed. Hopefully this slides over real nice. Just gotta tuck that up front. And I got my favorite woods chair here. I love this thing. So they shouldn't even call it a chair. They should call it a camping sofa. So gonna set that up and we should be getting out of here shortly. All right, finally getting out of here. Guess who I have in the back seat? Hey, Scout. Say hi. She's tired. She's gonna sleep in that back seat the whole way. But she's ready to go. I'm ready to go. Let's hit the road. We got about a 5-hour drive.
Love was holding all the cards and always kept me in the dark. I never thought I could shake this heartache until I saw your light, and it's got me feeling like life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like I've been walking on air. Left all my worries and cares. I've got no burdens around you. I don't care who knows I love you. 'Cause I've been so lost without you. And in my darkest times, you got me feeling.
Hey, so here we are, about an hour and a half from my destination. And to be honest with you, I'm starting to sweat a little here. I got an hour and a half to go. It's about 80 miles, and the sun is coming down quickly for the day. Sunset here is supposedly around 7:25. My ETA for arrival, if I end up in a spot where I can actually camp for the night, is around 7:35. So I'm hoping to make good time or find something along the way. Hopefully this works out. The other thing too is there is snow everywhere.
Life is good.
All right, so I found a spot to stay for the night. There's a little road here that I back down, and getting this thing set up right now. So basically I'm gonna just put the stove here and the propane, and get a little stove going here, keep a little warm, and then I'm gonna get the oven out and start heating up some soup. And this, I think, is gonna be my spot for the night. All right, so I'm pleasantly surprised at, I got everything set up here. I'm just heating up some soup here. I got the fire going behind me as well. Not a bad setup, I can't complain. I found a cool little spot here with a couple of stones. So I sat up between the stones, and I'm gonna chill out here. I got the bed set up in the back, so I'm gonna stick with that on this trip. To be honest with you, it's gonna save a lot of time, and it'll also bring a little extra security. I don't know what the bears are up to. I know they're definitely out and about at this point. I actually got my bear spray right there just in case. And you know, it's springtime, so I'm not going to take any chances. And little chicken noodle soup, and won't be feeding the bears tonight, that's for sure. Not bad. So not to say that it's warm here, because it's not. I was expecting snow to still be on the ground up here, but this is a lifesaver tonight. I don't normally like to bring gas stoves, but it just made it so much easier, especially knowing that the ground was going to be wet with snow like this. I thought it wasn't a bad idea just to throw it in the back, and to be honest with you, I've got a lot more space in the back of this. Hey, what can I say? Not a bad night. Scout's having fun. There's a lot going on in the woods right now, keeping her busy. Hopefully she's keeping them busy in the other direction. I will admittedly say I've got my bear spray right here, and she's doing a whole lot of snorting, so I don't know what's out there. Probably just a couple of whitetail, but just in case. This is so cool. 1 minute. That's awesome. Woo! Holy cow.